I'm Charlie Fonseca. I work for CR England. I'm a product manager in their IT software development team. CR England is one of the largest refrigerated carriers in the nation. We also do some intermodal and other types of freight as well. TMT helps us with visibility to the repairs and the scheduling of the preventative maintenance services and the history, as well as the work that the technicians do and being able to track that along with our vendor repair orders and getting them all in sync. Trimble Solutions have given us a path forward where we can utilize functionality that is useful throughout the industry so that we don't have to develop it in-house. There have been a few solutions that we have had a plan on our roadmap to develop, and they were able to come out with that solution sooner. My experience working with the Trimble team has been a very positive one. I've been involved with their product advisory committee. I would say the primary reason that we continue to partner with Trimble is because of the ability to work together toward making better products that work for us, that are also able to be leveraged by other companies that might not be quite as big as us. They promote the open conversations and they listen, they come to us with questions, and then we're able to jump in on beta testing and giving them that immediate feedback. I think that Trimble bringing all of its different pieces together into a connected ecosystem has really helped to elevate the software for the transportation industry, tying them all together from point A to point B and all the steps along the way. I'm excited for the new things that are coming with Trimble as we continue our partnership, working together to make better products for the industry.